Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel and also to my course Windows Server 2016. Course title: Windows Server 2016 Tutorial Series. Windows Server 2016 is the latest version of Microsoft's server operating system, which is designed to power the infrastructure of enterprise-level networks. It is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of features and capabilities that can help organizations optimize their operations, enhance security, and improve overall efficiency. One of the key benefits of Windows Server 2016 is its enhanced security features, which include advanced threat detection and response capabilities. It includes features such as shielded virtual machines, which help protect virtual machines from unauthorized access, and just enough administration, JEA, which allows organizations to delegate administrative tasks to users without giving them full administrative access. Windows Server 2016 also provides a flexible and scalable platform for organizations to run their applications and services. It supports a wide range of programming languages and development frameworks, making it an ideal platform for building modern applications that can be deployed across multiple. Another major feature of Windows Server 2016 is its support for cloud computing. It includes built-in support for hybrid cloud scenarios, making it easy to integrate with public cloud services such as Microsoft Azure. It also includes new features such as Storage Spaces Direct, which enables organizations to use local storage resources to create highly available and scalable storage systems. Windows Server 2016 also offers improved management and administration capabilities, such as server management tools, which allow IT professionals to manage their servers from anywhere using a web-based interface. It also includes improvements to PowerShell, making it easier to automate and manage server configurations. Overall, Windows Server 2016 is a powerful and versatile platform that provides organizations with a wide range of features and capabilities to meet their unique needs. Whether it's improving security, scalability, or management, Windows Server 2016 offers a flexible and reliable solution that can help organizations achieve their goals and optimize their operations.